Hi, we'll be solving a probability problem today. What is the probability of total score of 7 if four six-sided fair dice are thrown? So we have to find a total score of 7 across four dice. Now, when we are rolling one dice, we have six possible cases, right? So we can get numbers from 1 to 6. That means if you are rolling four dice, then the total number of cases will be 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. So we got the denominator for our probability. Now let's find the numerator for the probability. Now we have to find a total score of 7, right? So let's write the possible cases. So we can have the numbers as 1114. We can have the numbers as 1123. We can have 1222. Now, if you look at the first option, there are actually four possible cases, right? Because this four can come on any one of these four places. So that means there are four possible cases here. And those can be 4111, or 4 comes in the second place, or 4 comes in the third place, or 4 comes in the last place, right? So these are the four possible cases. Similarly, in the second one, we have 1, 1, 2, and 3. Now there are four places, right? So the number 3 can take any one of those four places. So 3 can occupy any one of those four places in four ways. Now there are three places which are remaining, right? Because 1 is occupied by 3. So this three remaining places can be occupied by 2 in another three ways. And the remaining two places can be occupied by this ones, right? So automatically it will get allocated to them. So there are 12 cases in the second one. And in the last one, similar to the first one, the number 1 can occupy any one of those four places, right? So total 4 cases. So in total, we'll have 4 plus 12 plus 4, or 20 cases. That means the probability will be 20 divided by 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. If we simplify this, we will have the total probability as 5 divided by 9 into 36, or equal to 5 divided by 324. So answer will be option number E. Now, if you want to master the concepts of probability of rolling a dice, do check out the video provided in the description of this video, where I teach you the concepts from scratch. Hope you found the video useful, and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.